This system can disable drones without using explosives. Instead of destroying the target, it uses electronic attack to interfere with the drone's control systems mid-air. As the interceptor gets close, the drone begins to lose stability. Control is disrupted, and within seconds, the drone simply drops out of the sky. There's no explosion, no visible impact, just a loss of control. This makes it very different from traditional air defense systems, which rely on warheads to destroy targets. But what makes this system even more effective is what happens after the intercept. Instead of being destroyed, the interceptor returns and is physically recovered using a net system. This allows it to be reused for multiple engagements, reducing cost and increasing operational efficiency. It's a different approach to countering drones, one that focuses on disruption instead of destruction. Subscribe for more real-world breakdowns of the machines and systems that change modern history.